Hello guys and welcome back again to the channel. Today is Sunday and we have, as every weekend, our weekly analysis for the next week for NQ, ES and gold. So jumping directly into it and starting by NQ and ES. So as you all saw last Friday, we had this big bearish move in the daily, the 4-hour and all the time frames were affected by this huge move. So what I had previously before this move on the weekly time frame on NQ, I had this CDV market from this manipulation leg, and I got them hit I guess Wednesday. Let me check. Yeah, they were hit Wednesday and Tuesday. So basically I was neutral from that point. I was waiting for NQ whether to keep pushing higher and without respecting these levels or reacting heavily from them. And obviously the second option was the correct one. So basically I took my positions in short Friday that I shared with you 2 days ago, I guess. But now regarding next week, I still have some targets that NQ didn't hit them last Friday. That are, first of all, this weekly low that tapped in this bullish fair value gap, as you can see here, this weekly low. This is the first target, and we got this daily low, the one that tapped in this daily fair value gap. So basically I want to see price next week whether retracing to this gap or the new week opening gap, which will be very optimal if we retrace this deep. And then I want to see NQ moves lower to take this lows. From this point, this daily fair value gap, I will wait to see price what's going to do, whether it's going to react very bullishly. I will swap my bias bullish, and if it's still coming down, I will keep taking shorts. And yeah, but there is another scenario that we open Sunday with a huge gap and then we take the lows directly. At that point, I will probably be looking just for shorts for the whole week, unless I see a big, strong, bullish move. So I'm supporting one of these two scenarios. I guess the second one will be the one that's happening for maybe 70-80%. This one will happen. For ES, I got the same targets, the weekly low and the daily low. And for ES, I don't have some standard deviations marked out. I still didn't look for them, but I have exactly the same scenarios between ES and NQ. So basically, this is all. I will be sharing my analysis and my, like, during the week, each day of the week, on my Twitter and my Telegram. You can find the links to both of my profiles on the description of this video. And that's it for NQ and ES. No, wait, give me a moment. Let's just go and check the news for this week. I guess this week we have CPI. Yes, you can see we have CPI at Wednesday. No red or orange news at Monday or Tuesday. We got PPI at Thursday and then some orange news at Friday. So basically the second half of the week will be full of huge impact news. So I'll probably go heavier on the second part of the week. For Monday and Tuesday, I won't be participating as much. So that's all for NQ and ES. Now let's go to see gold and what it did. So this is gold. As we said last weeks, in the previous weeks, we had this daily fair value gap where gold tapped the first time here at 15 April and then came and swept the high at 17 April and confirmed this high as protected high by this bearish move right here until the end of April. So basically, when I saw this move, it confirmed that this is where gold is heading. Gold is heading towards this low of 23 March. So it's my target for now, for this week and for the next one as well, and for the until we hit it. I took this setup as well that I shared with you last Friday of gold. We swept this high that tapped into this daily fair value gap, and we swept this low. So now what I wanna see, I wanna see gold whether goes directly without retracing with a huge bearish move, just like the one we had on Friday, and sweep this target. And from this target on, I will be not neutral and looking for just price action, fast and quick snipes. And we got another scenario is that gold opens bullish and retraces to this daily order block, and then from this daily order block heads down. So I will be bearish on gold for the whole week, and I'm expecting lower prices. We might have a huge bearish day, bigger than the one we had on Friday. Maybe this at the open this Monday, or maybe at the CPI day. So this is all. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with a fresh new video. Thank you guys again, and thank you for your support. Don't forget to follow me on X and Telegram and TikTok, and we'll keep in touch. Have a great ending of day.